Hi there! Louise Marshall here, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. Thanks for joining me to learn how to customize roster settings in RosterElf. These settings will help you adapt our platform to fit your organization's unique needs. Let's walk through the steps together. How to access roster settings. Go to the Settings tab in the top menu. This is your starting point for all customizations. Select Roster to open the Roster Settings menu. Here you'll find all the options to personalize your scheduling. How to configure shift swaps and open shifts. Enable or disable shift swaps as needed. For instance, turn them on to allow employees to exchange shifts when emergencies arise. Set a cutoff time for shift swaps. This prevents last-minute requests before a shift starts. Enable or disable open shifts to offer unfilled shifts. It lets employees apply for shifts you haven't assigned yet. Define a cutoff time for open shifts. Employees can only claim them within this time frame. How to set employee roster view permissions. Enable view-only mode to let everyone see the entire roster. Employees can review the full schedule but cannot make changes. Disable view-only mode for a restricted view. Each employee only sees their own shifts. How to adjust daily view time sensitivity. Use the sliding bar to fine-tune shift start and end times. This is perfect for those precise scheduling tweaks. Drag and drop shifts within the daily view for pinpoint accuracy. It's a quick way to ensure the right coverage. How to enable publishing warnings. Open roster settings to turn on publishing warnings. It helps spot potential schedule conflicts before they go live. Toggle on Show warnings when publishing. You'll get alerts for errors or double bookings. How to configure unpaid breaks. Go to the Unpaid Breaks tab in Roster Settings. It's where you can allocate break times based on shift length. Adjust break durations for different shift lengths. For example, a 30-minute break for a 5-hour shift or a 60-minute break for longer shifts. Thank you for tuning in to this quick guide on customizing your roster settings in RosterElf. If you need any help or have questions, our support team is always ready to assist. Happy rostering!